Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get my family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop SNC Budget Creations down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of September, Cassie did make a freebie, and I will link that as well. How much are we stuffing today? You know, we probably need to count it, and we will see how much. I'm going to grab my calculator because this stack is a little bit more than I'm used to. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400. Oh, let's turn it on. Then we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, plus 60, and then 3 buckaroos plus 3. All right, so for this cash stuffing, I am going to be stuffing $463. Yay! Just kidding. Oh, I will be right back. One moment, guys. Okay, so sorry about that. I have another $45. I'm cash stuffing $508 today, and that means my budget is off. So I made a few extra bucks this week from Etsy, and I forgot to pull it out. Oh, gosh. Okay. I will figure it out as I go. Okay. Jeez. Let's just do it. I was gonna start all over, try it again. No, we're gonna go ahead and stuff this $508, and I think what I'm gonna do is put that. I'm gonna put that money. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my rent envelope, so that way, if there's any hiccups or anything later on, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan. Okay, we're gonna start with my bills. So, and then I'll figure out that other $5. I knew I was doing something wrong, but I could not figure out what the wrong was. I am a mess. Let's go ahead and put $360 into my rent envelope. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. Right, because I put $45 in there. Yes, because I think originally I wanted to put $320. We're going for it. Oh gosh, okay. I am magnificent. That's what I'm going to say, because I'm human. I make mistakes, but now that we've added that $360 to our rent envelope, let's see how much we have. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, $610. Yes! Okay, I like seeing that big number growing because, you know, rent is my most important. You know, but I want to make sure I'm staying on top of that. Trying to figure it out and get it all together on my very, very low income. And I live in a very expensive state. I mean, we live in an expensive country, but you know what I mean. All right, so utilities, let's go ahead and put $20 in there. Just 20, Silynthia. Okay. And now utilities has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60 bucks. And I have a payment coming soon for this. A lot of my bills are coming soon. Internet, let's go ahead and put 20 in there as well. All right, internet now has 20, 40, 65. The weather's changing where I live, and so my skin is getting really dry. So I'm noticing the change happening right before my eyes. I'm gonna be snake skin soon. All right, phone, let's put 10 bucks there. All right, so my phone bill now has $20.35. And car insurance, let's put 20 in there. And now we have 20, 40, 45, 50. And subscriptions, let's do 10. All right, so now we have 10, 15, 20. And memberships, we are starting with $5. Maybe I can do 10 because I had that extra 5, didn't I? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Let's go ahead and let's put 10 in there. Oh, I have plenty of time, but I'm going to do 10. Leave it at that. Student loans, we are in forbearance. We're not putting anything in there today. All right, and now let's move on to my weekly envelopes. Mommy is getting $10, 5, 10. Okay, gas getting $20. Household, $10. 5, 10. My pets are getting $10. 5, 10. And they're sitting at my door. Usually they tussle right there, but I closed it because they're being so loud, and now they're just trying, they're eavesdropping. It's so weird. So they're like sitting at the door listening. Okay, my kiddos, I did Cash App them. We've discussed it before. I've been Cash Apping them. Let me put that away. And so they have their money. And then lastly, we should have $8, I believe. 5, 6, 7, $8 going into laundry. I did have some quarters left over from last week, so it's been working very, very well, and to my benefit to go on Tuesdays to the laundromat so I can put, you know, everything I need to put in there at a fraction of the cost on any other day. So I'm just going to stay with that. I think it's a good idea to try to keep, you know, my finances down wherever I can. Let's see, I'm going to put this away. And I decided I was going to go ahead. I've been using my gold minis cash envelopes weekly, but I decided I'm going to throw this sucker in my purse. This one's kind of strong. It can take a beating. So, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.